How to fix iPad stuck in headphone mode. So there are a few things you can try if you're having this problem. So the first thing is to just go ahead and try restarting your Bluetooth if your headphones is via Bluetooth. So just go ahead into your settings and do this real quick. Turn off your Bluetooth or unpair your device and try repairing it. Basically like a reset with your headphones. Another option is to just go ahead to your iPad. If it is a ear jack, you can go ahead and try cleaning it since it might be dirty. So just go ahead and use some sort of cotton buds or something, depends on what you have and can fit in the hole. Go ahead and clean that up since that can cause your iPad to be stuck in headphones mode. So clean it up with some clean cotton buds. Make sure not to put any liquid in that as well to avoid any more damage. And another is to go for a soft reset from your iPad. So to do this, there's a little thing here. So just press and hold the top button and then the volume up or volume down. So these over here, if you can get that to right, over here, and also the top button. And then slide to power off screen will appear. So just go ahead and slide that, wait for 5 seconds, and then press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. That's pretty much going for the soft reset. You can also go ahead and try replugging the headphones to the ear jack, since basically another kind of reset. You can try that out, but those are pretty much the most common things you can try to pretty much help you potentially fix this little issue. But hopefully one of these does work, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.